Hello everyone, Larry Laurentic for Ichimoku.co and forextrading.tv with a daily analysis for the gold futures market for the trading day ending Tuesday, January 21st, 2014. Well, a fairly large black body candle today, and that's the second last candle that we see here on the chart. That is the candle that has finalised trading, and a candle that's been very strongly rejected from within the Ichimoku cloud. And this highlights once again how important the Ichimoku indicators can be as areas of support or resistance. If we look back here roughly about a week or two ago, we see the market rallying in a second time frame uptrend, making a series of higher peaks and higher troughs and testing just to the bottom of the cloud and being rejected from there. So the bottom of the cloud holding as resistance. The market then rallying off the 1238 major support to the cloud and attempting to trade through the cloud and close above the cloud or within the cloud for the past 3 trading days, and being rejected from that area within the cloud or closing just at the cloud. So the cloud here is acting as some very, very strong resistance to this market. Now the trading day today, being a very large black body candle, has seen the sellers come back into this market quite strongly, and it's been some time since we've seen a black body of that size, and that was around this area when the market was trading around the 1200 round number. The sellers have closed with control of this market, and that's quite important, and we are looking for potential follow through. But importantly too, even though the sellers have closed with control and they are the stronger party in this market, the market failed to close down below the 1238 level of previous support and previous resistance. So moving forward, that will be a very, very important level if the sell-off here is going to continue, if we are going to see follow-through. Now if we do see that follow-through and the market make a lower high and lower low, then after the market trades through the area around 1234, there isn't any major support until we trade down to around the Kijun-sen, around the 1220, 1221 level, and we should see some solid support coming in around that area if the market does continue to trade off. If the market does rally, however, the area around the bottom of the cloud will coincide with the 1250 prior level of strong resistance, and it will make it even tougher for the market to trade through that area, and we could see price rejection if the buyers are strong enough to rally the market to that level. But really, not a good market to be trading. We are bound by very solid support below here at 1238, solid resistance ahead up above at 1250, so a market that needs to see resolution either above or below these areas. If we do see strong bearish activity down below the 1238 level, we could see the market testing down to around the 1220, 1218 area, but let's not preempt the market. We do have to wait for resolution above or below those important areas. Now the problem for the market breaking out up above the 1250 level is that the influence of the resistance from the cloud extends all the way up to around the 1285 level. So we could see this market find resistance anywhere within this cloud. We've seen the market test within the cloud for the last 2 candles to around the 1260 level and be rejected from there. So any rally above the 1250 level doesn't mean that we will see the market continue to trend up in this second time frame uptrend that the market's in. In terms of Ichimoku, obviously now with the market trading back down below the cloud in a bearish manner, we do have a bearish market in the long term time frame, but we still have a bullish market in the medium term time frame. And the market has been trading above the Kijun-sen for some time. The market is trading just below the Tenkan-sen, and this bearish close down below the Tenkan-sen may be significant. It has been some time since we've seen the market trading below the Tenkan-sen, and it may herald something of a change of sentiment in this market, so we do need to be aware of that. But with that strong support around the 1238 level, there is some doubt about whether we will see that follow through. And looking at the Chica span, that is just above the corresponding price action, so we're not getting any good solid high probability signals from the Ichimoku charts at the moment. We're getting a lot of mixed signals, and I suggest that we do need to be patient and wait for resolution either above or below these important areas of support or resistance.